Sprinkle on extra flavor with fresh herbs and spices. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to make this extremely flavorful, low-sodium chimichurri sauce using a medley of fresh herbs. This recipe is quick, easy, and bursting with flavor without having to add a lot of salt. Too much salt may put you at risk for high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke, so finding alternatives like this sauce is a healthy way to enjoy food. Start with a half cup of Italian parsley, half cup of cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano leaves. Add in 2 tablespoons of Gustari Vita red wine vinegar and about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Pulse that until it's well combined, and then transfer it to a bowl. Stir in 1/3 cup of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sea salt, some fresh ground pepper, and some red pepper flakes. Serve this over your favorite choice of lean protein, like chicken breast, shrimp, or even sirloin steak. One easy way to limit your salt intake is to look for products that have already done the work for you, like canned goods, condiments, seasonings, and snacks that have limited the amount of salt. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for other salt swaps, turn to Seasons Magazine. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.